the Samsung Z Fold 2, which is basically just the Galaxy Fold 2. So let's open this up. You got that nice butterfly logo, which is all the stock wallpapers from everything that they've shown. Change the shape of the future. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. Then there'll be some more rigging materials in there. I'm not even gonna look at. The care instruction. Just do a close up and then move it. So basically, unlike the rest of them, the Galaxy lineup, this is not waterproof, this is not dustproof. Keep it away from magnets. It's very fragile and very expensive. Okay, so let's put that over here. And then comes with the Premier service. It's basically 24/7 chat, and there's a special application that you can get with this phone. SIM card, the fast charger. I believe this one is only the 25 watt. I'm pretty sure. I may be wrong. I think there's a 25C fast charge. And then empty package and the charging cable. So let's turn this on.